morning and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do bookmarks, and the backgrounds I'm using are from the Tim Holtz backdrops and his wallpaper. And I've also got some pet tape, and if you remember those pictures from Unsplash, I've resized some of them down to really small so we can use them on the bookmarks. Now, I think I'll start off with these ones. I'm going to use these, and I think I will put these onto here. So sort of like that. So I'll just measure where I want that. Let's put that one over there so I'll get the right measurement. Sort of about there. I think that's about right. That's that one, and I'll cut off along there. And then this one, I'm not sure what I'm going to use here. I've got various pieces. I think I want ones like this that are thin. That portrait style, not landscape. Ooh, there's one there. I like that one. And one more, I think. They're buildings. What have I got here? No, they're a bit too fat. I need the thinner ones. The tree. There we go. Right, and how have you all been? I got through the craft fair at the weekend, the 2 days, the wellness. That went very well. I was very pleased with that. I sold the crystal journal and the yoga journal and the oh dear, what do you call it? No, I've already got that one. I need another one. The Guardian Angel journal, which went within an hour. I got it finished on Saturday evening, and it went within an hour of going. That's a bit dark, I think. Here we go. I like this one. Of going on the stall, so I was quite surprised at how quick it all went. And I sold various other journals as well, but I was really pleased. Very slow at first, but it picked up. So I was quite happy this weekend. All that work last week, putting those journals together, was well worth it in the end. Oh, and I got 2 orders for a Guardian Angel and a healing journal. So that's going to be, well, the Guardian Angel, I know what I'm doing, but the rest will be a challenge. Anyway, back to this. So what I want to do is put one sort of like that, one like that, and then one. So I want some of this showing. So if I cut sort of about there. So I'll just cut these down. So these are both down. This one's slightly shorter. I'll do with this one first. And I'm going to go around in walnut stain on both of them, in fact. And I will also do these and make them, ink round them. I really don't like the white bit when I'm doing something like this. And also get my there, maybe a bit there, my sandpaper, and do a bit up there. There's one, and I'll do the same with this one. So these go like that on there, and then these ones I've got to trim down, take it down to the white border all the way around. Yeah. Now I'm going to glue these onto here and stick these onto here. I won't put you through that because you know what I'm like with the pet tape. I take ages to get the back off. Right, they're all down. Now I'm going to get some, I don't think this will fit. It might. I want some, yes it does, that's good. I want, this is the Tim Holtz Blackout card I'm going to use. So I'll do this on the back because it's easier, you can see where to mark it. And I do need to straighten it out, I do believe. Just cut these down, cut them out now to glue them all down onto this. That's all down, and I'm going to put the tassels onto the top, and for that I'm using this card from Tim Holtz's neutral cards. He has the different types, and just going to fold that over there. Might do it that way. And I'll do one for this as well. Now I need to round the corners on these, which does get a little bit tricky, but I can just about manage it if I use my tweezers. There. And on this one, and then ink round them, and then I glue them onto the card at the top. Oops. So after a busy week last week, I'm trying to get myself back into doing, it doesn't look very inked to me there. Trying to get myself back into the rhythm. I've got some video ideas. It was sort of last week, all that fair took up my time. Okay, and I'll do the same with this one as well. So next you take these, and I'm going to punch a hole in the top and put a grommet in it, but of course this always gets stuck. Like that, and then we put in the tassels. Now I do make bookmarks for the craft fairs, quite simple ones that I laminate, so I have a lot of these tassels, and it was quite handy that that matched quite well. I was quite pleased about that. But these I might put into journals I sell on Etsy. I'm not sure at the moment. There we go. So these are the two bookmarks I've made using pet tape and my Unsplash photos and Tim Holtz papers and card. I hope you've enjoyed that. Thanks a lot for taking the time out of your day to watch. Don't forget to hit the like button, the notification bell, and subscribe if you haven't. And please come along on my next one. Thank you. Bye.